Yo, hello everybody. Welcome back to the show. Let's do this. Hey, what's happening? How's everybody doing? Green is back. What's happening? And Nawab is back. Hey, all is good, all is good. Good morning, Larry. Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? Hey, Ivan. Well, it seems like I'm stuck in two trades, an NQ short and a gold long position. Both of the trades are still on. I was a little bit worried here, so let's see. It could still, turn around to the other way, but I'm in a long position on gold and short on NQ. I've been holding these positions since quite a while, but let's see how's this gonna turn out. But so far, that is it. How's it going, Ivan? Hope everybody is making some profits. Less than 1 minute to go. All right. Seems like NQ is getting closer to that zone now. Would be great to see this one hit the TP somewhere around the open. We still have 30 seconds. Man, a little bit frustrating. AD, what's up? Hey, good to see you. All right, 20 seconds. Well, I'm stuck in this short position since a while now, so I'm just kind of hoping that we will hit the TP on this. 10 more seconds to go. I'm really hoping. I mean, that's the key, right? So here's the market open. No opening bell. Oh, look at that. I think it just went down, yeah. It just went down just like that. Okay. The gold trade is still on. The NQ finally hit the profit down to the demand zone, which was kind of cool. How many contracts? This was like how much was this? I don't even know how much was this. Like 3 contracts, 3 micro, I think, something like that, or 2. But it was good. I think I made like almost $300 on funded account on this one. I still have a gold position on. The gold trade. What is happening? There's a huge delay in the data. The gold position, yeah, it was 3 micros. The gold is on 2 micros, but the gold is technically stuck. Something's wrong with my quant tower. There's something wrong with the data. I might have to restart, by the way. Just saying, no troll. I might have to restart my quant tower here. Whoa, look at this. Jesus. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at that. Completely went down to the new day opening gap low. Gold is still there. I don't know what's up with gold. Gold technically stopped. Not moving. But what's up with NQ? Is this the beginning of a huge sell-off? It's kind of interesting, to be honest. There's a big data delay here. Bulenox is definitely off track. Just like Take Profit Trader. Maybe I have to find a different server. Hey, let's go, Martin. Congratulations. Good job, man. Good job. New day opening gap. Yeah, we hit that. We hit the new day opening gap low. Busted through that 5-minute demand zone like it was nothing. Very, very interesting. Okay, so far, hopefully, connection is getting back to normal. Okay, it's kind of cool. Oh, wow, wow. What is happening? Bulenox and Take Profit Trader, I think it's because of Rhythmic. Has some connection issues on Rhythmic. But it's okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's up with the connection on Rhythmic. It's definitely something is going crazy. I do need to reconnect to Bulenox too. Okay, so now that we went down there, that's all cool. I'd like to see some action on the gold trade as well. Hopefully positive action. Oh wow. Okay. Why do I feel like there could be a continuation of like a waterfall trading here? It can go down to that 639. I'm just not sure that this is the that this is it. Anyway. Yep, it's going to the 40s. Yeah, it's going. I feel like it wants to go to the 40s, at least. Low of this candle is 39.25. And what's that on the mini? Low of this candle is 38.25. What's it gonna be? I thought that it wants to sweep some liquidity from down there, but so far it didn't. I think it did. Hold on. Oh yeah, it did. Okay. There is a connection error on Bulenox. I don't know what the heck is going on. I'm trying a different server. And there's something on Take Profit Trader too. The morning was good. The morning was good. I'm still having a gold trade on here, and we just had a TP on NQ on a short right at the open. So now I'm just kind of waiting to see what's gonna happen here. Okay. Something's not okay with the Rhythmic servers. Something's just not right on the Rhythmic servers. Okay, gold is still hovering. NQ stuck down here. Hey, Subham, what's up? Yeah, it definitely. Did I say hello to Subham? Anyway, I was gonna say hello again. It definitely filled the gap, and the question now is how much are we gonna reprice from this area? Okay, seems like the issue has been solved on Bulenox. That's cool. That's good to know. I don't know what's up with gold, but it's technically stuck here. Where's my calculator? We're stuck here. And there, I don't even think that I don't know if I want to go to a long position here at all. By the way, not sure if I want to do that. Maybe 425, maybe. Mohammed, hey, welcome. How's it going? Can we check leadership board of FundingTicks? Yeah, let's try that. I mean, I never checked it anyways. So where's the leader? Where's the leaderboard? Leaderboard? I don't know where's the leaderboard. FundingTicks leaderboard. Let me check it. Maybe it's on Discord somewhere. Okay. No. I can't find it. Where's the leaderboard? I don't know where it is. We're hitting it hard again. Exactly like a machine, Vilkos. Yes. I'm unable to find it, but Patrick Wieland was showing. I don't know. I'm searching for it. I can find it on the website as well. Subscription settings. No rewards. No, nothing on the dashboard. Maybe on the website. Maybe it's on the website. Who knows? No, not there. Not on the website. Is it on their socials? Maybe. Maybe it's on their socials. It's not on their website. Not even on their X platform. I can't find it anywhere. Not even on Discord. Polls, giveaways. No, nothing there. I'm sorry. I don't know. I don't know where it is. I wish I know it, but I can't find it. I can't. I logged in. To the dashboard at FundingTicks. I can't see the leaderboard. Oh no, my gold trade. It's not looking good, unfortunately. Too sad. Gold started to go down. Maybe I should close it. Yeah, maybe I should close this trade. It's not looking that good now. It didn't sweep anything up there. Let's look at the higher time frame. What's the narrative here? Not good. I thought that this is gonna go higher to break that supply zone high, but it's not gonna. Hold on, let me turn on. All right. Some air circulation here. Let's get back to music. All right. This fan is really helpful. Oh, 17,000 profit in trades. Wow. I can't find the leaderboard. I don't know where it is. I actually never looked at the leaderboard, to be honest, at any prop firm. I never ever cared about the leaderboard, but Kirk, hey, good to see you. 7 trades, Jesus. Gotta have gold. Yeah, gold is not looking good. I'm slightly at break even. It's not looking too good now. And there is an issue here on gold. I feel like it just wants to go down, but I mean, initially I thought that it's gonna go for that zone up there, but nothing for now. On the 15-minute, it didn't really sweep anything, so I don't know why this drop happened. There was a structure shift now, so that's not so good. I'm still in the trade, but it's not looking so good at all. Roll, hey. Yeah, I mean, not really following the Formula One. I'm not really following it. Where is it gonna be? Is it gonna be in Hungary this time? I mean, yeah, it's gonna be in Hungary, right? I'm absolutely not following. I know that there's gonna be a Hungaroring. It's maybe this week or I don't know. Yeah. Sorry, Roll. I'm not following Formula One these days. You know, back in the days when I was watching, I was Michael Schumacher fan. When he was still racing, even when he went to Mercedes. But like everybody back in the days, right? Everybody was a Michael Schumacher fan. Not everybody, but most of the people, including me. I also like Mika Hakkinen, by the way. So in my time, Mika Hakkinen, Rubens Barrichello. Actually, I like Rubens Barrichello. He was a good wingman for Schumacher, I think. Those days were actually good. Nowadays, I'm not following. Of what's happening in Formula One. I guess it could be awesome. I saw the movie, by the way. I saw the F1 movie with Brad Pitt. That was cool. I think it was a good film. It was a good one. It's a good popcorn movie for the weekend. I liked it. I think it was a good one. Okay, NQ is basically finding some ground here, but I don't like the gold trade. Oh man, what a bummer. What's ES doing? Technically the same. ES didn't close the gap completely, so it can still pull down NQ. Yeah, it can still do that. I mean, kinda. This is the 5-minute chart. Next level of liquidity is at 80. popping higher. Oh man, gold is still dancing there. I'm not liking this. This was the first fair value gap here, right? Let's give it a different color. Midpoint is kind of rejecting price for now. Seems like it's trading through. Kind of nice. Larry Williams course. I never checked it, Sopham. I never really checked it. I heard about it, but I have no opinion because I never checked his course. Do you have some information, maybe? I want to print Tom in real life size and put the. Okay, but okay, awesome. But I'm gonna need a superhero name. I don't know. And then I have to decide which universe do I want to exist in, like the DC universe, MCU, or hold on a second. The Watchmen are DC, right? DC universe, the Watchmen. That's DC Comics, right? Yeah, that's DC. Okay. I love Watchmen. I think it's a totally underrated superhero movie. I think it's absolutely underrated. It's one of the best superhero movies of all time, I think, and especially the uncut edition, like the extended full uncut version of Watchmen. I think that's just amazing. Absolutely. And also the series, I don't know what was the name. Watchmen was the HBO series also. You know, the it has 8 episodes, only 1 season has been made. Jeremy Irons was playing Ozymandias, I think. That was also a masterpiece, I think. That 8-part series, that was absolutely a masterpiece. So, yeah, I think Jeremy Irons was carrying the whole show. I mean, the series. His character was absolutely like, I don't even know. I don't know. Did he get some nominations or rewards for that character? Because the way he portrayed that character in the series, that's absolutely mental and out of this world. Played it absolutely perfectly. All right. What else do we have here? Yeah, Jeremy Irons is absolutely a titan. One of the best character actors. And I mean, usually we see Jeremy Irons in like second role, right? Yeah, his role in Margin Call, I think he absolutely, without him the movie was absolutely, I mean, it was a great movie, but his role was absolutely the cherry on the top, and basically he carried that movie with Kevin Spacey together. So Kevin Spacey, but mostly Jeremy Irons, absolutely nailed it. Absolutely. And you know, he was just maybe like appearing like for 12 minutes in the whole movie, Jeremy Irons, and his performance actually took the whole show away. I mean, the whole movie, absolutely. What is going on here? Oh my god, my gold trade is not looking good. What should I do? I think it's time to say goodbye to the gold trade. But I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna let it slide to the stop loss. Who cares? Right? I'll let it go to the stop. Instead, let's just search for some levels on NQ. No levels. That was quick. Okay, here's less than 1 minute, and here comes the new hour. Unfortunately, gold is super heavy. It's just gonna fall, I think. Nothing down here. No target on NQ as well so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop switching here. Nothing is happening anyways. Just in case if gold would go down, I need to know how far is it gonna go. So there's a zone down there. Actually, a sell side liquidity level. And it's going down. Okay. 43. $90 points. Nice at FOMC. That's good job. That's an excellent job. What platform does MyFundedFutures? MyFundedFutures supporting Quantower, TradeAway, NinjaTrader, TradingView. So, yeah, you can choose. Yeah, I imagine fuel costs. Oh man, this gold trade. Too sad. Too sad. But at least I tried. Okay, NQ is still trying to... I mean, there was a market structure shift here. It seems like that this could be an opportunity for NQ to continue lower. Next sell side liquidity could be here on this 5-minute gap. Let's look to the left here, actually at 609. Let me just mark up some levels here. Here. And here. Okay, we took that too. So if it goes, it should continue down below 600. If NQ would start to waterfall. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about it, Green. Funded Futures Network. They are using Rhythmic connection. So with Rhythmic, you can use Quantower. NinjaTrader is also able to connect to Rhythmic. I think you still need some sort of a license. With another prop firm, you can get it. So you can connect to Rhythmic server for one Rhythmic at a time. So on NinjaTrader, Quant Hour, ETS, I don't know, some other platforms. Yeah, Funded Futures Network. Mainly everything that supports Rhythmic. Every platform that supports Quant Hour and NinjaTrader can connect. But I would go with Quant Hour, you know. Okay, NQ seemingly wants to get below the swing point. I still have the gold trade, but it's not looking good. Where is it? Here's my gold trade. Not looking too good. But NQ slowly went lower, but not sure about this. No, you don't need. It's free. The Quant Hour is free. If you want to connect to multiple prop firms, then you need to subscribe to the advanced features, which is $27 with the discount. I also have a code for Quant Hour. It gives you $3 discount, so you can get it for 27 instead of 30. But if you only connect to one prop firm at a time, it's free. So it's completely free for one connection. There's a 7-day free trial, so you can use multi-connection for 7 days, but then it will need a subscription. What is going on? NQ seemingly wants to go a little bit higher here. I'm not sure. It has to go through that 705 if it wants to go into that direction. I'm not sure if it will or if it can. Anyway, let's see. The first fair value gap is still kind of magnifying price. As much as it's possible. Gold trade is still there. Picked up some liquidity from the gap. Could be a chop, yeah. Could be. Gotta be very careful at these levels, because even if those who were trying to short this at the bearish fair value gap could be having their stops above 705. Maybe the market wants to take it. We don't know. It really does seem choppy. Gold trade doesn't look good now. It's, I don't know. Hard to say. And we don't have any other news except if President Trump is going to tweet something. Nothing more. There is a level, a 15-minute liquidity of fair value gap starting at 705. Yes. So I'm not sure about that. If it wants to push it or take some liquidity on the 15-minute gap. But we'll see. My gold trade is not looking good at all. But what can we do? NQ repriced the fair value gap. We're kind of stuck here. Nothing's really happening. Okay, that's it. And my gold trade is still slowly melting down. What a shame. And NQ is still hovering. Yeah, 80, I understand completely. You know, we can easily stay in this chop for the rest of the AM session. Exactly, Green. Again, the same situation is happening. We're watching paint dry. Hard to predict anything here. Let me look at the 5-minute charts here, both on gold and 5/15-minute chart. Okay, nothing. Gold seems like a little bit weak. NQ seems like wants to go lower. One moment it looks like it wants to go down, and the other one it just looks like wants to go back into the range. I have no idea what it does now. There was a small market structure shift to the downside. But otherwise, gold is still there. Yeah, who knows, Ron? It's definitely it's definitely a watching paint dry situation here. Nothing. NQ is still there. Why do I have this connection issue with Take Profit Trader? I don't know. I have to reconnect. Okay, going back to the gap. That is awesome. Anyway. Hey, Online Safety, what's up? Awesome, awesome. Enjoy the stream. How you doing? Okay, let's see. NQ is stuck, so I just have no entries here. And the only thing I'm still kind of hoping for is this gold trade. Look at this. It was hovering around this area for quite a while now. And I'm just not sure how long this can hold. I mean, obviously, my final target would be that supply zone high up there at the 69s. I unblocked you. You're not blocked, Online Safety. You're not blocked. You're not blocked. Since we can read your message, you're here. You are not on. You're not blocked. You never were. Or were you? Maybe not this account. Awesome. That's awesome, man. I never blocked you. Or did I? No, I didn't. This gold is just... It's just not doing the job. I know why. Where do you send your charts? I mean, you can send it to me in email. my email and I can check it. Here's my email. 196 times 2 accounts. Let's go, Zacromancer. Let's go. Let's see what else is here. The gold is again trying to go down. I don't like this. It is what it is. Yeah, unfortunate. NQ is still here, and gold just wants to make a new low. I guess this is the time to close the trade. It's unfortunate, but no. I'm let it take the full stop loss. I think it's the best. At least I will know that it took the full stop. And as for NQ, still just waiting. You're welcome. Hey, DT, what's up? Oh, sorry, I haven't sent you the email yet. I actually gathered a few videos to that folder, to Google Drive folder that you can check out. I just wanted to upload something more, some more. Entered ES longs and I'm stuck in drawdown. Oh, I see. How's ES doing? It does look like it might want to try longs, but the problem is that the gap has not been closed yet. Hopefully it will not go down for you. It will go a little bit higher. It can still take some liquidity up there, so just be careful with that. All right, thank you, DT. Thank you. By the way, with Take Profit Trader, there is a flash sale going on. If you take the test account, then you will get refunded on your first payout. 100% refund on your first payout from your initial test account price at Take Profit Trader. Just saying. Why do you stream if you don't take trades? Exactly. I took trades. I was in a nice short, and I'm still hovering in a gold position. I don't know why. It's going to hit the stop real soon. I'm still having this gold position. It's a long position, but it's going to hit the stop. But the previous short position, that was really good on this one. Really had a nice short trade. Oh, you missed those. Special code? No, it's the same code. My code is working for the promo. If you let's see, how long is it valid for? Biggest flash sale ever, it says, which means that okay, if you pass the test in the first month without a reset, then you're gonna get your initial the price of the test account refunded for 1 week. Okay, so this promo is valid for 1 week, which means that it came out now Thursday, so at least until next Thursday, this refund promo is active with Take Profit Trader, which is kind of cool. I'm gonna put on a flyer later. Kind of cool. All right, what else do we have? NQ still hovering there. I'm gonna get this off. It's just confusing. The new day opening gap is still here. Took out the lows. The gold trade is still there, and that's it, basically. All right, let me reconnect again. This gold trade is really, really not looking fun. It's just not fun at all. Where does it want to go? Okay, nothing there. Yeah, nothing on gold. I mean, it's going down, unfortunately. But also, unfortunately, this one wants to go down as well. 609. Oh, yeah. This just wants to go. That could, you know, usually that would be helpful for the gold trade. So I really don't understand. Oh, Lizelle, I'm sorry to hear that. Ah. Well, we all gotta take it slow sometimes. I know it's easy to say. I know, but and also the price action is kind of crazy. So, sorry to hear that. If I can help you anytime, let me know. I'd be happy to give you some tips or whatever, or I can hear you out of what's happening. Let me know. Okay, what is going on with NQ now? Did it actually go up to that 15-minute level? No, it didn't. I never did. Hey Kenchua. Double bottom? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It does seem like it though, but so far it seems like NQ just stopped as it is. There's the level at 57, which it has not repriced. I'm not sure if it will go there, but that's a possible level up there. Up at the 50s, basically. Small fair value gap. The first fair, yeah, maybe we hit that. I'm not sure. Maybe there's a possibility to hit that first gap. Yeah, gold is looking extremely heavy. Extremely heavy. So, yeah. That's why, unfortunately, my trade is gonna go to the dumpster here. Almost that stop loss. But hey, we did a nice trade on NQ. I'm very proud of that. That was a good one. The NQ trade was good earlier. And I was holding that for like more than 2 hours. I think it was like 3 hours. I don't know. 10:30 reversal? Maybe. Maybe. It does feel like it might want to go back to the 60s. But it's hard to say. Internal stop loss 32.85, 32.81. Let's see. Oh man, it's not looking good. Also, I thought that you know, NQ will try to hold it a little bit better, but it's just not doing it for now. Okay. Gold trade almost at stop loss. I think it will be breaking that swing low down there, and according to that, I think it's taking it, and it could be going down to that 43.4-ish area, I guess. And I thought that gold should be going higher. If NQ is melting down like this, I thought that gold will be going higher, but it's not. Almost hitting my stop there. Here's the final few seconds of the gold trade. Slavic heritage. Well, every country has a different culture, that's for sure. Yeah, that's it. Okay, what is this bounce here on NQ? It actually bounced, which is interesting. And it's not taking the low yet, so get ready for a bounce. That can happen. Whoa. It didn't. It took the lows. That's kind of cool. Gold is tanking. Oh yeah, look at that. That 343. So that it can actually break that. Let me see if I have an account that I can go with. Maybe on Funded Futures Network. Maybe. It is 43.4. Might scalp it. I took a short at gold on 46.4. 43.5 would be my TP. Just a scalp trade, basically. So it does have a negative risk to reward ratio, but I do have a stop in place. Because that right there is a 15-minute zone low. So 15-minute demand zone low. Now the problem with this is that it can bounce quite a lot, actually. That's the issue. Yeah. And almost out. I was expecting a bounce, but I was also expecting that gold is going to run through that level. Okay. NQ is still there. Yeah, the gold trade is not working out, everybody. Unfortunate. I think I'm gonna have to close it. This position is down more than 300 bucks now. So I think I have to close it. I'm in with 10 micros. It's looking very bad. Look at that. It's not good. I think I'm gonna let it close. I wasn't expecting this bounce. I should have expected it, but I was not. I thought that it wants to go through, especially because it started to tank. That's why I don't like scalping. It's not for my taste. And as far as I look at this, NQ is still there. It bites back. It very much. It does. It does. NQ for life. Exactly. Yeah, gold is biting me back right now. Very, very much. Okay. I am technically almost out, and now out from this trade. Yes, down $500 on this account. So I'm done with this account for the day. The other account is good. This one is done. This account is done for the day. So we have to find something else to do. Gold bite me back hard on this bounce. I thought that we're gonna break through on that demand zone. I'm kind of trading a little bit more than I should have. So I'm basically now kind of violating my daily plan. But I'm just gonna stop here. Okay, let's look at NQ. All right, NQ is going for that sell side at 566. At least it looks like it. Okay, NQ just stopped moving. And since we have no levels here, nothing on the 5-minute. Also, gold doesn't have a level here. The only one we have is still on the 15-minute time frame. Let me check that level again, just to make sure. You know, low of this is 43.4, 43.4. Almost, but it didn't go through. So that makes it kind of valid as a possible zone. It shifted structure and then shifted higher again. Huh. Rejected on the 15. There is something there. Not really sure what. Hey, Trader Monk. What's up? How you doing? Okay, NQ still going down to that 566. Always somehow getting bounced back from those levels. I don't know how. But just keeps bouncing back. Which is kind of interesting. Curve fishbowl trendline liquidity now. But what trendline? Oh, this one here. Huh. Possible, maybe. Everything is possible in this market, I guess. You know, the thing is that after gold popped higher, now it still wants to come back down and destroy that 15-minute demand zone low. And that's a little bit painful to watch, because if it does, you know, like I was scalping this, you know, popped higher. Obviously, I had to, you know, get out of the trade. Took me out, and now it goes. I mean, in cases like this, at least I have to answer that the analysis was correct. So having a good analysis actually, at least gives some peace to my mindset. But yeah. Look at that. It's slowly going down there. Oh, man. Done for me this session. Yeah, let's fight again next time, you know, because I was really hoping that the gold trade will go up to that level. But I'm gonna point this out here, that this zone can still be destroyed. Like you know. I'm gonna put this away as an example. Exactly, Zacromancer. Knowing when to step back and stay in the game for another session. One of the, you know what? That's one of the most underrated skills. And that's why we talk about that at MyFundedTV as well. That's why it's super important to always repeat these topics and talk about it, you know. It's super duper important. We're stuck here on gold, and look at that. NQ finally dropped down and took out that sell side, and that's what's it. And it still just keeps dropping lower. Anyway, I was just kind of looking at some other charts, but so far gold has stopped, absolutely stopped moving. So I don't think I'm interested in this market. So I think I'm just gonna call it here, everybody. I'm not gonna take a short on this one. I'm not gonna chase it. So I was kind of waiting for gold to do something. I think it still has the chance to move down and take out that demand zone, but I'm just not going to force it anymore. So thank you for watching. This was an awesome month awesome week so far, and we still have Fridays, so thank you for being here. If you would like to support the channel, don't forget that some sales are ending today. Grab your accounts with some very good discounts while you can. TRADEIFY, the cheapest instant funded accounts. Also, Bulenox, 91% ends today. Apex, oh, back to normal. MyFundedFutures, 50% off if you're new, and if you're having your first purchase already, if you're a member as well. 100% refund and 40% down at Take Profit Trader. And we have some other ones as well. Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one for free, expires today. If you would like to support the stream, please use the code TOMSABO. Really helps a lot. Thank you so much. Have an awesome rest of the day. I'll be at MyFunded TV. And tomorrow, as usual, London and New York. So see you on the flip side, and God bless you all. All right, cheers.